Alright, for this you're going to need some isopropyl alcohol. You're going to need a water toilet paper. I took the cardboard out. You're going to need a pop can. You're going to cut the top off. You're going to need some pans and a spatula, some matches, some food. I got some bacon and eggs, and if you want, you got some cooking oil. You take the water toilet paper, you put it in the pot can just like that. It'll serve as a wick, just like that. You take the isopropyl and you dump it in there. You don't need a ton. That should be lots. I'll put a little bit more. There you go. There's two things you can do. You can get your pan and just hold over top like that, and that'll work. I've done that before, but this time I'm going to use some bricks. So I can put that in here, try to find some bricks or a cinder block or something in the same, the proper height. And these bricks are going to help me in two ways. One, I don't have to hold the pan over top now. And two, it's a pretty windy day outside, so it might blow that pop can over. So that will kind of help keep it in place. Alright, so get your pan. I'm going to start with an egg pan. Put it on top. I'm going to add just a little bit of cooking oil. Just a little bit. And now for an egg. As you can see, it won't take very long. When one egg is done, I'll do another egg, then go to the bacon. And egg number 2 is done. Okay, so let's try some bacon. And here's all the bacon. Okay, so the bacon's done. Alright, that's pretty good, but I'm going to do one more egg. And perfect. Right, Bosco? Okay, so I got 3 eggs in there and a whole bunch of bacon. And that thing has a lot of life left into it if you want it to cook more. That worked pretty good. For one small pan, that's more than enough. However, if you're going to use a big pan like this, I would actually recommend putting 2 of those cans in there. It will do a lot better job. One can did it. It did a decent job. It took a while. But I figure with 2 cans in there, it will do a really, really good job on a big pan like that. So that's some advice for the future. Still, I can't complain. It did a pretty good job. So I'm going to enjoy my breakfast now with a nice local Manitoba beer. Here's a piece of bacon and egg for Bosco too. Here you go. There you go. Good boy. Good boy, Bosco. That's it. That's it though.